So this isn't working, is that right?
I follow y'all on TikTok.
You want to do it again?
Hey y'all. All right, we're going to get an F-250. I believe it could turn into a Chevy by the time I get there. But when we get down there, let's see, I don't think it's that soft of a beach. It's not the north end. So we're gonna find out how they got themselves into the predicament. So we're gonna go down and check it out. Come along on the adventure. All right.
How are you?
Good, John.
Carson. Nice
Good to meet you, Carson.
All right, so this isn't working, is that right?
Yeah, apparently. Well, it's not engaging right now.
Okay, did you check the lockers?
Yeah, I locked him in.
Oh, you locked them?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, you know your truck better than me. I don't know Fords that well, but I do know that front actuator sometimes.
I think that's what it is.
Yeah, it doesn't go. It dry rots or something, the vacuum line or something. All right. So can you pull that out for me? I'm going to stick I got a receiver I'm going to put up in there. We're going to pull you straight back up this way. Let me get turned around.
Yeah, really?
Hey, you want to go on YouTube with us?
Sure. Go for it.
Just to have some fun, you know. All right, let's see. We're going to use the big girl. You gonna put it in? You're welcome to. I can tell you know what you're doing. Oh, what's the dog's name?
Ranger.
Hi, Ranger. Ah, we got rescues at the house. We love dogs, man. All right, so I think I'm gonna use this little 20-foot. That's all we need. Ooh. Have you seen these soft shackles before?
I have, but I'm not very familiar with them.
So I'll show you. What it does is it has a cinch knot right here. So you just open this cinch knot. We work with these guys, they sponsor us. Their stuff is so good. So that's all you gotta do, and then this just goes right through here, and this will hold 30,000 pounds. Believe that?
I believe it.
On a cinch knot. All right, go ahead and hop in. Most important thing for you is gonna be steering. You know, because your wheel's gonna wanna slip out on you. I'm tempted to do the 10-footer. Oh.
That'd be funny.
I'm gonna do it. Oh.
Really cool.
Rolling coal, rolling coal. Watch me do it and then get hit. Give me a second, I got a new rope I'm gonna try.
All right.
They gave me this little 10-footer for when we're close to a ramp. So just pay attention, don't like back up into me, all right?
Yes, sir.
But this is exactly what I was telling them we needed this for. All right, hop in there. Yeah, I'm not gonna hit it too hard, but when you feel it, just give it a teeny bit of gas, not a lot, and hold your wheel. Here we go.
There we go.
Yippee-ki-yay! That worked out just fine, didn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so this one here,
Yeah,
it pulls out like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome. Good job, man.
I follow y'all on TikTok.
Do you really?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, man. You're gonna be on there with us. Well, that was fun with that little 10-footer.
Yeah, it was.
It's like, I felt like we were really close.
Yeah, I don't think we've ever used it for that.
No, I've never used it for that before.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Man, it's another day in paradise.
Oh yeah.
When I tell people that the beach is my office and the bathing suit is my uniform, they don't usually want to hear anything else. Whatever, man.
You do this for fun?
Almost never. I'll just record it all.
Yep.
That's it. He makes big bucks.
Yeah, you should look into their gimbals, their DJI gimbals.
I have one, but
He's-
it just doesn't fit the lens, the mic, all that. It's too heavy. So it just flops.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's too heavy for it.
Yeah, I have a DJI one, and I take videos of his pickup and different things. They're sweet. I seen you doing that. I was like, man, if that guy had a gimbal right now, it would probably look sick. But now I understand why. I didn't see all these other gadgets you had.
Yeah, all his-
Yeah, but
all
it's
his
the polarized
gadgets.
lens. It helps a lot with
Right.
the beach, with the glare.
Yeah.
Make sure you
And
got
then
that real quick.
This on the back.
Oh, no,
This
I
is
trust
just a
you.
MagSafe
I
magnet.
don't,
so
my
if you
son's
don't
got
have
the
a
other
smart
phone, the
No,
one
that
that,
was actually
you
for my
talked to you when
DJI.
you called. So
Oh, okay.
it rings on that
Which
phone when it
one
comes
is it?
through.
Is it-
But I believe you.
Six.
All right,
Six?
Christian, we're done.
We're done?
They're good to go.
Awesome.
Just don't get back on the same.
Yeah. Yeah, be blessed, man.
Have a great one.
If you go back on International Speedway Boulevard down south. It's two-wheel drive. You can hang out on the beach down there. Yep. All right, got him done. Dun, 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 dun. When you're stuck on the beach and you're all alone, who you gonna call? Call Santo. All right, so we got one that's right here at the ramp. This lady gave me a call. She's in a white Jeep Cherokee, I think. So we're on our way to get her out. Whoa.
Just gonna give me your number.
Thank you so much.
I got it on my phone from last year.
Yeah.
So anytime I see anybody, I say,
We appreciate it. We love our recon team. How you doing, man? Good. All right, young lady. Hi.
I'm sorry. I drive trucks. So
Yeah.
I didn't even think to be like, oh, is this car four-wheel drive?
No, is it or is it not?
No, I just now because I just got this car,
Okay.
and when
I'm
I
the-
got on the stand, I'm like, where's the four-wheel drive button?
All right, I'm gonna take a look real quick with you just to make sure. I'll look under the front and see if there's any CV axles. Because if it is and it's just figuring it out, we might be able to get you going. Let's see. Oh no, look in there, you are correct. This is a Jeep with no front axles. So you are only rear wheel drive.
Okay.
You are correct, young lady. All right, so I just got to hook a rope onto you and yank you backwards.
Okay.
You'll be driving.
I will be driving.
You will be driving your vehicle. Yes, ma'am.
Do I put it in neutral?
Yeah, well, I might have you in reverse. Let me get hooked up and then I'll come give you final instructions.
I don't want to do anything
You can go ahead and hop in. I'll take care of you. I got you, girl. You're my caboose. You can't do anything stupid. All right, young lady.
What am I doing?
You're going to be in reverse. You're going to be giving it gas. I say like porridge. I don't know if you know the Goldilocks story, but not too much, not too little. Just kind of like medium amount of gas to help me out. What's important is that you're holding the steering wheel and turning with me. So you're trying to back up the ramp. So you know your wheel is turned the right way now, but when we get moving, I'm gonna bump you and it's gonna bring your butt over a little bit, and you just kind of straighten yourself out, and we'll go straight out the ramp together, okay?
I like this plan.
Your front end's gonna come through here, so make sure your wheel stays the way it is to bring that front end around, and then we'll come straight out with it, okay? Are you ready? This is like a Disney ride, girl.
I don't want to go to Disney right now.
All right, I'll take it a little slower for you then. In reverse, I got Christian here, and he'll tell you when to just to give it a little bit of gas. And remember, hold that steering wheel firm. You're just my caboose. Here we go. Here we go.
Go give it a little bit again. Keep going.
Great job. That was fun, right?
That was fun.
All right.
Do it again.
You want to do it again?
I do not.
I just I said just pull straight out, man. I'll just yank you back out again. All right, let me get you unhooked.
Okay.
And then I'll back you out of here so you can clear the posts and stuff, okay?
You guys all the time.
Does he? Tell him thank you so much. We humbly love him. Huh? What do you think?
Why not do it again?
Actually.
That was fun.
You're welcome. I'm gonna pull up. Just hang on. I gotta tell him about the internet thing. I'm just parking. I'm coming right back. Stay where you are. All right. Go walk him out. Start turning that way a little bit. There you go. Yep, just like that. Perfect. Keep turning, keep turning. Keep turn harder, turn harder. There you go, just like that. That's perfect. There you go. Keep going. Nice and easy. There you go. Stop right there. Okay. Doesn't that feel good?
I feel a lot better now. I feel very stupid.
Nah, don't feel that way. Don't feel that way. We have a little bit of an internet presence.
I could tell. I was talking to one of your fans a second ago.
And we just happened to record all of this.
Mm-hmm.
So would you mind going on the adventure with us? And
I don't mind.
don't mind at all.
Thank you, girl.
You're very welcome. You all be on your way and be blessed.
You too, sir.
You guys don't mind a picture?
I don't mind a picture at all, my
all the
friend.
time.
What's your name?
Daniel.
Daniel?
Yeah.
Pleasure to meet you.
Yes, sir.
Where do you want?
Right here's fine. Right here.
That's so cool. We're so humbly grateful for it. You want to be in front of the truck?
Yeah, it's fine.
All right.
Right here's fine.
Cool. You ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna jump in your arms. You ready? No.
Appreciate it, man.
Absolutely, man.
Subscribe to Santo, man.
Be
Yeah,
blessed.
bro. You're gonna be in a YouTube video in like a week and a half.
Yeah, you'll be out. We're about a week and a half out, but we're excited. We're excited for people like you. Honest to God, you make the difference to us. Love that interaction. Love our people. Man, people make this go. I'm telling you what. You guys make this go. Let's get out of here.
Subscribe to San Ho.
There you go, baby.
Like to subscribe to Santo. They're the best.